Hello everyone, in this short tutorial we will see how can we add VS Code style file explorer in GitHub. We spend lots of time in GitHub to explore files, explore code, learn code, see packages, read documentation, etc. So if you can add the VS Code style file explorer in GitHub, it will be a lot helpful and useful to explore the files, to see the files, to view the files. So let's get started. First of all, we need a Chrome extension. It's called Octotree. Almost 400,000 plus users. Let's click on Add to Chrome. It's added. Let's activate the plugin. Where it is. Okay, it's here. Now you can go to GitHub. You can see already added this. Now you can easily switch between the Explorer. You can see if you go to the controllers, you can check the controller automatically. It's auto hide. Okay, and you can also go to the any file instantly. That's all for today. See you in next video.